Hello and welcome. You're watching Don Bosco Media Network. This is Mona Lisa Rumbai presenting to you the Salesian news across the globe. The 2024 Forum of the Salesian Youth Movement takes place from 25th to 29th of July at the Salesian Institute de la Gombe in Kinshasa. The event was attended by 182 young people from SYM groups in the Africa Congo Vice Province, the Central Africa Province and the St. Joseph AFC EST delegation, accompanied by Salesians and Daughters of Mary Help of Christians. The organization of this youth meeting on the theme, like Don Bosco, Dream Big, Dream for Life, aims to make young people dream and make them believe in their dreams, instill in the young participants the values of universal fraternity and celebrate the faith with the spirituality of Don Bosco. The Salesian Oratory in Gatchina, which does not have its own headquarters, rented a large gym this summer to organize its summer camp for young people. 81 children from 8 to 14 years old and 22 leaders from 15 to 37 years old, led by Father Andrich, SDB, took part in the summer camp held for 3 weeks from 3rd to 23rd of July. During the days, the participants were able to carry out various activities, including music, theatre, group work, educational meetings, team games, excursions, and cultural trips. 13 Salesians, 11 priests and 2 brothers met for the 4th in-depth seminar on the centrality of the Eucharist in the Salesian Charism from 24th to 27th July at the Salesian San Tarcisio House in Rome, starting from the writings and testimony of the servant of God Vera Grita, Salesian Corporator. The meeting, coordinated by Father Pierluigi, Postulator General for the Causes of Saints of the Salesian family, concluded the online initiative to explore the 28th General Chapter of the Congregation on the urgent need to make the Da Mihi Animas Getara Toli a reality in the proclamation of the Gospel, organized by the Work of Living Tabernacles Study Center and the Conference of Salesian Provinces of Italy Formation Sector. Taking advantage of the presence in Indonesia of Father M.C. George Menamparampil, former coordinator of Salesian mission offices, Father Johannes Bodira Hajro, economer of the Salesian St. Louis Versiglia Vice Province of Indonesia, invited 10 lay people, some of them Salesian Corporators or Salesian Corporators aspirants, to understand the nature of Salesian mission offices. The meeting was also attended by Father Vincentius Prastovo, recently appointed Superior of the INA Vice Province, and Father A.D. Prinanto. Father Menamparampil spoke on the importance and work of the Salesian Mission Office. By basing our work on the Word of God, I want mercy, not sacrifices. We work for young people, especially the poorest. Our works must also be communicated to the general public so that it is possible to obtain greater support. And in addition to support from abroad, the mission office must also be able to obtain support from local benefactors. From 26th to 28th July, the Commission for the Salesian Schools in Thailand, under the chairmanship of Father Smith Dingampan, together with the heads of the various Salesian schools, organized a seminar for new teachers and staff at the Salesian Retreat House in Hua Hin. 52 teachers participated in this seminar entitled The Preventive System of Don Bosco, and began on the evening of 26th July with the opening ceremony chaired by Father Boonlert Panita Thayasai, Superior of the Province of Thailand, THA. The main speaker was Father Banchong Santisuk Niran, SDB, who guided the teachers to understand the history, roots and core of Don Bosco's educational method, reason, religion and loving kindness. By working together with the Salesians in each institute, teachers can help young people to be good citizens of the nation and honest followers of their religion. So viewers, that is all for today. This is Mona Lisa signing off. Until we meet again, thank you for watching.